Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to raise and support our vehicle. We have a 2-post lift, but you can do this in the driveway on the ground. On each side of the bumper, underneath the bumper, there'll be a 10mm bolt right here and a trim clip right here that you can remove. And then you can pull down this here and look up, and your turn signal bulb is up here. So you want to grab it, push it in a little bit, turn it counterclockwise, and pull it out. Now you can grab the bulb, pull straight out, reinstall your bulb. You can put it in either way here. Just push it back into place till it clicks. Reach up, find the opening, find where the tabs go in, right there, and then turn it clockwise to lock it. And the procedure is the same thing on the other side. Feed this back up here, like that. Reinstall your bolt here, and your trim clip there.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.